appeal. Bred by Schroeder in Rowe, Gainesville, Texas. On by Christina Hansen of Gretna, Nebraska. Shown by Micah Hansen of Gretna, Nebraska. This will be draw 3. Entry 165. Once again, draw 2. 915 is a scratch. We'll go to draw 3. 165. This is ZIPPOS I'm Gold, 2001 model gelding, sired by ZIPPOS Old Gold out of Triple Me Fancy. On by Dana Acevedo of American Canyon, California, shown by AQHA professional Michael Weaver of Newcastle, California. This will be draw 3, 165. Thank you. That was draw 3, entry 165, ZIPPOS I'm Gold. Michael Weaver, Newcastle, California. Score for draw 1, entry 2103, Invite Me Some More, Murray Griggs, 192.